Morning guys, this is your science lesson today. So we're going to look at living things, dead things and things that have never been alive. So have a look at these objects, think about what they are, what do they look like, have you got them in your house, can you see them in Hazelhub if you're in school? How could you sort them into groups? So which things are living, which things are living things, which things have never lived, and which things once lived but are not living anymore. So this is the way I would have grouped them. So you've got, let me just grab the pen. Here you've got the living things, you've got the dog, the child and the tree. Here you've got things that were once living, so the leaf, it used to be part of the tree is a living thing. The fossil used to be a living thing, it's now no longer living, it's fossilized. The paper comes from trees, so paper used to be a living thing. And then you've got things here that have never been alive. So metal is not made from anything that used to be alive. Computers are not made from anything that used to be alive.
You know, there's a different tone. There wasn't this outrage when shops were being looted and broken into.
Okay, so how do we know if something is alive? So what do living things do? There are certain things that all living things do. They move, they make more of their own type, so they have babies, they lay eggs, they respond to the place that they live in. So if a plant is in a dark place, it will grow towards the light. You will have done these experiments lower down school where you put seeds in a cupboard and the seeds don't grow, but the seeds you put on the windowsill, because they have sunlight, they grow into whatever it is you planted, cress or sunflowers or whatever it is that they are. They feed, so you all eat, you are living things. Animals eat food, they are living things. They grow, they get rid of waste. So that includes, yes, it does include going to the toilet. And they need oxygen. So is it alive? There are some things that used to be alive but aren't anymore. So paper is made from wood, which comes from trees that were once alive. So we talked about that at the beginning. What other living things can you think of? Okay, so remember they need to do those 7 things in that list. So what can you think of? Have a look around where you're sat right now. What used to be alive that is not alive anymore? So fossils are remains of animals that lived a long time ago. They used to be alive, but they're not alive anymore. So here's a little activity for you. Decide whether each thing is living, whether it's not living, it's dead, or it's never been alive. So you're not able to click because this is a video, but the lion is a living thing. The flower is a living thing. The baby is a living thing. The table's made of wood, so it is not alive anymore. Okay, it used to be part of a tree. The wood used to be part of a tree, but it's not alive anymore. The fruit used to be part of a plant, so, well, I think it looks like strawberries and things like that on that picture. The flowers are living things. The metal pan has never been alive. The football has never been alive, and neither has the bowl.
However, bearing in mind that a lot of the angle of what we've seen on TV.
Okay, so here's your activity for today. So the pictures here on the right hand side, so these ones here, you are going to sort into the 3 categories on this side. Okay, so you might want to draw this on a piece of paper if you're at home, and then draw the different pictures into the categories. If you're in Hazelhub, you should have this sheet in front of you. So you are sorting the 9 pictures into the correct categories. Okay, enjoy doing it. See you later.